Amplify student voice, capture interest, and fuel passions with Discover Podcasting. Learners in grades 6 through 12 take on real-life production team roles to create and showcase their own podcast. Discover Podcasting comes with 12 one-hour lessons that support educators in any setting. Students collaborate to edit podcasts in a shared workspace that integrates with learning management systems and can even work remotely if needed. Enjoy easy implementation with a step-by-step instructor guide, student journals, and supporting slides. This hands-on kit supports up to 30 learners. You'll love the professional recording lab with USB plug-and-play microphones and quality headphones. Each microphone comes with an isolation shield and filters for improved sound quality. Another component that makes Discover Podcasting stand out is our partnerships with key experts. We collaborated with Karen Patterson, an English language educator in New York City, who guided her middle school students to win the NPR Student Podcast Challenge. Thanks to her insight and testing with students, Discover Podcasting's Scaffolded lessons break down the creative process step by step for all learners, especially English learners. We also partnered with experts from the podcasting and public radio industry. Mark Sanchez of American Public Media is the senior producer behind podcast hits for kids like Brains On, Smash Boom Best, and Forever Ago. Frankie Barnhill is a podcaster and senior producer at a local NPR affiliate. Mark and Frankie offered behind-the-scenes tips to ensure that learners really work like the pros. This strengthens the STEAM career exploration component of the program. We've done the testing and legwork for you to be successful with your students. Visit adventures.com and download a free curriculum sample to experience some of the activities for yourself. Or give us a call to learn more about Discover Podcasting.